Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a new palette that has come out just a few months ago. I'm finally getting the chance to play with it and I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So I decided that I would film this video so that we could look at how it blends, the colors, etc, etc. The palette that I'm going to be reviewing is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me see if that focuses for you guys. Oops. I like this mustardy yellow a lot actually. And then the inside, it is the 14 shades that Anastasia always has. You can see that there's some pinks and oranges and yellows and these dark two reds and a black as usual. So I'm really excited to try this palette because I really like the colors that are in there. I especially want to try Dusty Rose, Mulberry, Black, and Rose Pink. So hopefully by watching this review you guys can decide or not if you want to get this palette. Okay, so let's just go into it. I've already have like foundation, concealer, and my eyebrows on it, etc. So I just left my eyes neutral so that I could blend colors in and you guys would be able to see it really well. Inside of the palette, as usual, comes the dual-ended Anastasia brush with the blending brush on one end and the flathead brush on the other. So I decided for the review and slash tutorial, I guess, that I'm going to use this brush so that we can see how well it works with the palette, or you can always use your own brush, it doesn't really matter. So, okay, first things first, I want to kind of like set my lid how it is right now. So I'm going to go into the color Tempura, which is right here. It's like a white-ish color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid just to start. This will most likely help the colors to pop. So far I've used Tempura before. It's also in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Modern Renaissance. And I just basically, I don't really use it except for a base most of the time. So after I put all this over, you can kind of see that it feels, my lid is covered. After I decided I want to really try out Dusty Rose and Mulberry. So this is the color of Dusty Rose right here. And so I'm gonna dip into that one with the blending brush and put it into my crease basically. Oh, that's a really pretty color. So far, I can tell that it is very blendable. They said that the Soft Glam palette formula is similar to the Modern Renaissance. So I figured that if that's true, then it's definitely going to be really easy to blend and the colors are going to appear like super nicely on an eyelid. So I'm just going back and forth like window washer kind of motions into my crease and my brow bone. And you can see that color is super pretty. It's like a nice, literally dusty rose. I really like it. So, okay, that's nice. So after now, I kind of want to go into Mulberry, which I've been talking about, and Sienna, which is a very popular color. Well, here's Mulberry first. And Sienna is right here, a very popular color in the Anastasia Beverly Hills company. It has been featured in a lot of their palettes because it is so popular. It's also available as a single. So let me just top the excess powder off. I'm gonna go into Sienna and also dip into Mulberry a little. And will start from the end here and move into my crease as well, but only halfway. Oh, that's such a nice color, and they blend really well together. Now we're gonna do the same for the other side. These colors are so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna just use the flat end and put more mulberry on my bottom lid. This is such a nice kind of spring summery palette, but also comes with glitters that can make you help your look like super glam. Okay, the next color I'm going to go into is Rustic, and I'm going to use the flat end. And I'm going to go on my waterline. Just on my waterline and up. It's like a lightish brown color, which also blends really well. And blend it here just so it goes in smoothly. Now I'm going to put something on these, so I'm just going to choose like a nice shimmer that I want to use, and I'm going to go in with Sultry. I think, yeah, Sultry looks like a really nice color. I like these shimmers because they're not just the basic gold and silver ones that Anastasia has in the other palettes, and in this palette you get 5 shimmers instead of 2 or 3. Ooh, that's nice. That's a really nice color. Now I'm going to go into Fairy right here, just for like a little topper. Ooh, the blush just kind of fell out. Just for a little topper, just to make it not completely. Just put it on the end there and like mix it up a little. And this is like kind of the final look so far. I really like these colors, but obviously I feel like I need to add lashes to this just to make it totally complete. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are these Vixen Locks lashes in the style Barbie. I will put the link in the description box to the website where you can also buy custom bundles and hair, and you will also be able to purchase these, and I'll leave the Instagram below as well. These so far have been one of my favorite lashes to wear. They are the perfect glam lash, and I feel like it works because this is a soft glam palette. So these are the lashes, guys, and I think they make such a good addition to this look using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something or you helped come to a decision. Ending thoughts, the palette has beautiful colors. I love the way they put it together, and I love the sequence of the colors as well. The blendability is really good. As usual, it is the same as Modern Renaissance, which really was, I was thankful for that considering how subculture went. And so I really think that this is a good investment. It can be used for anything really, natural on the go looks or even for glam out on the town looks. It has a color in there for everybody, and I think it's easier to work with because of the softer colors that they have in there, which is really important for new beginners, especially with blending. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video and leave a comment if you have anything to say, or let me know what you think about this look. And I will be leaving all the details of what I'm wearing on my face and the lashes that I'm wearing as well in the description box, so you'll be able to click that and look and find anything that you need. So thank you for watching again, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!